Hi, Mike Morse. How are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you? It's a little snowy this morning, but it's
I know.
it's a
Yeah.
lovely day.
Well, it's Michigan. Hurry up and wait. I was thinking about your free ride program and over 6,000 rides so far. That is what you've done, Mike, once again, stepping up. Tell everybody about this program because I think it's genius what you're doing.
I've seen it bits and pieces throughout the years, but nobody has really owned it. And so we wanted to give every single person in Metro Detroit, or actually around the state, who needs a safe ride home to have one, right? So people are, they either can't afford an Uber or they don't have that friend to drive them home. We wanted to make it easy. So basically, the rules are on our website at 855mikewins.com. You just got to download the voucher. It sits in your wallet. So when you need that ride, you can have it on me for free. No excuses to get home safe. There's a window of opportunity that you can use it on New Year's. I don't have the exact times. You may have
Right.
them, but it's
Yeah, yeah,
all
it's
the
there.
rules are
Yeah.
there. But they should download it early. We're basically giving away, I mean, tens of thousands of dollars of free vouchers, and whoever uses it uses it.
It's one of those things at this point, and you don't want to be, I would never want to be judgmental about this, but I do believe that there's no excuses. If you want to go out and have a good time on New Year's Eve, I totally get it. Absolutely. Go for it. But to get behind the wheel of a car, come on. There's no reason. There's no reason. And programs like this are another reminder. Just go to 855 Mike Wins, get the voucher, and get a safe ride home.
Just in case.
Yeah, absolutely. Like you said, it's great to have in your back pocket or in the front pocket of your mobile device to walk around
I
with it.
agree. Right. I like what you said. We're taking away all the excuses.
Yeah.
And if we can save a life, and I think with 6,000 rides that I've paid for, hopefully we've saved more than one, or at least some major tickets or some major accidents. I mean, I love this program, and I hope people take us up on our offer.
855 Mike Wins again. The $20 voucher, the free ride program, already over 6,000 rides that you've done just so far here in the Motor City. And time again, you step up. Now, I always bring this up, and I think you think I'm nuts. I love your book. I
I
love
know
your
you
book.
do. I appreciate that. Fireproof has been a wild success over the last 6 years, teaching other law firms how to run a caring, loving, good business and law firm, and speaking around the country. And it's been a lot of fun. So I appreciate you bringing it up all the time.
I do because I'm a big believer that we all the second we talk about evolving as people, and this is my deep thought of the day, and I swear to God, Mike, I won't get too deep in this, but you've got to keep learning. And when I read your book, I didn't know what to expect, but this wasn't it. I've given it to people who are not in the law industry, I have people who are in the service industry and in management and technical fields, and said, you need to understand what Mike did and how he did it and how he takes care of his people and gives back to the community. This is a template that we can all follow in business or not. That's why I'm such a huge advocate for the book, because it is wonderfully written, it's real, and it has life lessons, which we're all looking for.
Listen, thank you. I mean, I'm humbled. I'm flattered. I get a little bit, I don't know. I never thought I'd write a book. I love it. Now I'm trying to get, Jim, I'm trying to get my daughters to read the book. They all, we joke all the time. I mean, one's in law school, one's a social worker. They haven't read Dad's book yet. So I may have to send them this interview and convince them.
Come on, kids, read the book. And then while 855 Mike's Win, I'd be remiss again. Free ride program, $20 voucher, download it. Make sure you get there. And then get your mom's cookbook as well.
Yeah, that was a fun idea. That's had that's had thousands and thousands of downloads. We give money every time somebody downloads to, whether it be Michigan Humane or one of the other charities that we support.
Capuchin, yeah.
And Capuchin. I think actually you're right. That one's Capuchin.
Okay.
We do so much stuff. I love Capuchin. I've been down there. My mom and I have been down there. That's an amazing program. We expanded the recipes. I think last year we had 15 or 20. This year we have 40 something recipes.
That's awesome.
We had some of the staff, give us some. It's fun. Why not?
Well, thank you for everything you're doing here. And while I got you again, 855 Mike Wins. Can I throw one question at you? I need one legal. And it's not a serious thing. I would never do that to you.
Go.
So we have a feature every morning we call the Daily Dilemma at 7 a.m. We put out different stuff. People call in, leave us messages. A lady told her family, she said, I'm going to pay for Thanksgiving dinner. I'm cooking all the food. Just come on over. So they did. And then she didn't give them any go plates, no Tupperware, nothing. Her thing was like, I paid for it. I served it. I'm keeping all the leftovers for the family. A week later in the group text, they tell her that wasn't nice. You should have given us take home. As a
Ooh,
lawyer, if you don't bring a plate, can you expect to take a plate?
in my opinion, absolutely not. I think, I mean, it's a generous thing that sometimes people do. My mom always gives us plates. She doesn't like us, to be quite honest, Jim. I've never been asked this question. She doesn't love us stealing her Tupperware and not returning it. She definitely wants her Tupperware back. And if we brought our own Tupperware, that'd make her very, very happy.
Okay.
But I don't think you could expect anything. I mean, and I've learned that earlier in life. Don't expect anything. If you
Okay.
want leftovers, bring some food and bring some leftovers home, or bring your own Tupperware. I don't know. That's a good question, though.
I always wonder how many like family texts, which just sound like innocuous things, start off and wind up being some legal matter 5 years down the road because of something you said.
Yeah, that's a good point. Good
um,
question, though. Thank you for, and listen, call me anytime with those.
Love it. You know that. Mike Morse, God bless you and your entire family and everybody there at the Mike Morse Law Firm as well. 855 Mike wins. The $20 voucher is an amazing program. Everybody go there, get this, have it in your back pocket, ready to go on New Year's Eve. All the best to you, and you're always welcome on the show. You know that.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.